Greetings, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you a little bit more about the new dialing capabilities with Act Premium Cloud. It's the ability to click on a phone number to initiate a phone call using your mobile device. This is set up through the Phone Link app in Microsoft Windows. Now, I have another tutorial I can send you if you reach out to me that shows you how to set up that app and use it with your mobile device, whether it be an iPhone or an Android device. Having said that, I've already gone through that setup process. So one of the things I noticed is in my office, I have two monitors. And what I can do is I can put the Phone Link app over on the other monitor. But what happens is this is really a two-step process. When I click on the phone number for Fred Flintstone at Bedrock Industries, it's going to hop right over to the Phone Link app. So watch this. I'm going to click. Now the Phone Link app comes up. So now at this point, the next step is I have to click on the green button to initiate the phone call. But I said, you know what? I really want all this information on one screen so I don't have to jump back and forth. So what I did is very simple. One, I went back to Act, and what I did is I resized this window to make it smaller. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Here, where I have the restore option, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to shrink Act down and make it taller, just like this. Okay, I'm going to bring the size in a little bit. Next, on this app, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller as well. And now what I can do is I can drag this. So now when I go to make that call, what will happen is it will just appear side by side with an Act. So let me click on this. This is over here on the right-hand side, and I can just initiate the call by clicking here. So I have this app and this app side by side. So depending on the size of your window, you can easily do this, or you can just have it on the other monitor, whichever works for you. But resizing things and putting them next to each other, I just found that was a better option working with these two items. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me.